Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. I'm here today to share one of our most popular vehicles. This is the all-new Chevy Equinox. This model that we're looking at here is the LT all-wheel drive option equipped with the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission. We're also looking at one of our Redline editions, which gets you a few extra appearance touches, such as the black bow tie and the black and red nameplates. Additionally, you get an extra nice set of wheels with the Redline stripe on there. Add a little touch to your Equinox. As we look inside, see the basic LT interior that we all know. This is the middle of the line package, so there will be quite a few options on this vehicle, but there will also be some that are left to be added on if you so choose. We have great incentives this month on the Equinox. Please let us know if there's any questions we could offer for you on equipment, pricing, or vehicle options or comparisons. We could be reached here at 708-429-3000. Just get in touch with our sales department. That's 708-429-3000. And please check us out online at applechevy.com, where all of our new and pre-owned inventory is listed. Thank you very much.